Salem, guys, to do some berry picking. So we might go get some cherry picking today, and we're gonna do get some peaches and maybe blueberry. And we do this every year. Last year we didn't get to do it because of COVID, but we are back today, guys. We are heading to Salem. It's a beautiful day, about 80s 90s today, and after that we're gonna go head down to see Amy again, and she invited us for lunch, so I will show you guys what we're doing. Hi, Jackie. Alright, so I'm with Jackie today, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing, and I cannot wait to eat some cherries, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Yeah, this is where we're at. Hi guys, we just made it here and we are in a blueberries area. It's a lot of blueberries. Some of the blueberries are not quite ready yet. Yeah, some of the blueberries are not quite ready, but we're gonna go ahead and get some anyway, and then we're gonna go to the cherries and I'll show you guys all the cherries. There's Jackie picking some blueberries. Their peaches are not ready yet, not quite. Raspberry and tayberry, guys. They're very good. This is what we got. Those are the cherries, guys. Guys, we are done picking cherries. We still have tons of cherries here, guys. Just amazing. And you can eat as much as you can. There's no charge, guys. The only thing you're paying is the one that you put in the box. So we're gonna go out there, guys. We're done picking. We're heading to Ami right now for lunch, and we're gonna go out there and weigh our berries that we picked and see how much it's gonna cost us. I'll see you guys around. guys, we are done picking berries. Our total to pay today is $68.24. That's including the 100% pure and natural honey. It's right there. And that's $14.95, so that's 15 bucks, $3 on our berries. So it's not bad considering if you buy it in a store. For the small package of blueberry, you will pay about around $3 to $5, and they're about only maybe a pound or a pound and a half or 2 pounds. So I think our blueberries were about 17 pounds. So that's quite a bit of blueberries. So we definitely had a good deal on that. So that's not bad at all. And we're heading to Amis right now for lunch. We'll see you guys there. Bye. Did you have fun, Jackie?
I had lots of fun.
All right. It's so hot, guys. Right now it's about 70 degrees. So in the car it's really hot. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. There's the fish. Oh, look at that, guys.
Wow, dessert.
Look at the dessert, guys. Oh my goodness.
Yan mo pa yung pinik mo na cherries.
Oh, they got some cherries too. Wow.
Sali
Look
mo
at
na yung
that.
cherries mo.
That's what Amis made today. Oh my goodness.
Gawin yung pansit yan.
Ang pansit.
Sahog sa
Wow.
pansit yan.
Alright guys, we made it here. Thank you, Ami, for lunch. Sorry, Floor, you didn't make it. Better luck next time. Alright guys, we are done. We just had lunch and we visited with Ami and Billy Girl. So now we are heading home, guys. It's still really warm out here and we're going to be driving about 2.5 hours. So I will see you guys later. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys later.